quick video. It's not so much an install video as it is kind of an unboxing, and I'm going to put a new Sissybar on my Springfield. So walking around the messy garage today, it is pretty crappy outside. Hopefully you guys can see that. We've got some rain and some other things. So not really going to be able to get the bike out, move it in the stall by itself. So we're going to be doing all of this while it's sitting parked with all the other bikes in this messy garage. Here's the box. It's pretty tall. And what we will do is we will pull some paper out, some more paper out, some more paper out, some more paper out, and here is the Sissybar. What I went with for this, if anybody's following my channel at all, they should know already I'm a Star Wars nerd, so I've got the Imperial symbol here. I'm gonna get it out of all this plastic wrap, take a look at it. I'll show you what I've got, and then we'll put it on the bike. All right, there it is. Looks pretty cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. Now let me set up the camera and I will put it on the bike, show you what it looks like. All right, I took my other Sissybar off and now I'm over here with this. Here's my Dean Speed quick release Sissybar. So what you want to do is just put the front here on the front spools carefully. There we go. It's gonna clip forward a little bit, and then you just drop it down and pull. You can hear it and feel it clip into the back spools, and then you just close the locks around it, and there you go. That's how it looks. Pretty cool. Sounds like they're also going to have their own version of a back luggage rack as well. So that'll be coming soon. I see some attachment points down here at the bottom. So I'm assuming it's going to screw on there. So yeah, so let me get the camera closer. I'll show you what I've got. So here you can see the Sissybar. It looks pretty cool. Looks really solid, looks really nice, well made. I'm very happy with it. So cool. Big thanks to Micah at Dean Speed for making another super cool Sissybar for my bikes. All right, like and subscribe.